Language learning is a vital skill that opens doors to new opportunities and cultures. Praktika is revolutionizing the way people learn English by offering an immersive experience through generative AI avatars. This unique app provides a platform where users can engage in conversation-first learning, making the process more natural and interactive. Unlike traditional methods, Praktika harnesses the power of LLM-powered AI speaking buddies, aiming to build learners' confidence and fluency with just 5 minutes of daily practice. In this article, we'll dive into how Praktika works, its features, and the benefits it brings to language learners. How Praktika works: engaging with AI avatars. Understanding how an app functions is crucial to maximizing its potential. Praktika operates on the principle of conversation-first learning, which emphasizes the importance of speaking and interacting as the primary method of language acquisition. Utilizes AI avatars to simulate real-life conversations. Offers both real-time and after-session feedback to learners. Provides a detailed improvement curve for tracking language progress. Features, functionalities, and benefits of Praktika stands out with a suite of features designed to make learning English as effective and engaging as possible. Let's explore the functionalities and benefits that this app brings to the table. AI Speaking Buddies. Practice speaking with AI-powered characters that understand and respond in English. Extensive learning materials. With over 1,000 lessons and characters, users can practice a wide array of topics. Unlimited practice. The app offers more than 10,000 minutes of practice, ensuring learners can hone their skills extensively. Progress tracking. Visualize your fluency journey with a detailed improvement curve. Convenience. Learn anytime, anywhere, on Android or iOS platforms. Low-pressure learning environment. The app provides a comfortable space free from the stress of traditional learning environments. Use cases and potential applications. Praktika is not just for casual learners, its use cases span across various scenarios, making it a versatile tool for different individuals and contexts. Everyday learners, individuals looking to improve their English for personal growth or travel. Professionals, business professionals who need to enhance their communication skills in English-speaking markets. Students, those in academic settings striving to achieve fluency for studies or exams.
Let's get started with our role play.
Who is Praktika for? Identifying the target audience for a language learning app is essential to understand its scope and how it can cater to various needs. Language enthusiasts, those passionate about learning new languages and exploring cultures. Busy professionals, individuals with hectic schedules who need a flexible learning solution. Academic students, learners in educational institutions who require additional practice outside the classroom. Plans and pricing. The value of a language learning app is often reflected in its pricing structure.
Hey, can you talk in this video mode right now?
Praktika offers competitive pricing options to suit different budgets and learning goals. For the most current plans and pricing details, please visit the Praktika pricing page. Is Praktika free? What about a free trial? Accessibility is key when it comes to language learning apps. Praktika understands this and offers options for users to explore the app's capabilities. Offers a free version with basic features. Free trial periods for premium features may be available.